So now we are on to the step 2, that is adding the phone number to our WhatsApp. So now we will click on setup, and we will select the business and we'll select the Meta Business account. In our case it is test business, and then we will click on continue. So now we need to go to API setup. So we will scroll down and we'll click on add phone number. So this is the phone number that will now work with WhatsApp Cloud API. Here we have to put our business name. So in our case, our business name is Bharat Go Digital, and we provide digital marketing services which come under professional services. So based on your business, you can choose the category, and then we will click on next. You can choose the country code, and you can put the phone number over here, and then now you will be getting the verification code. So in our case, the verification code has come now, and we have verified it. So we can see that our number is already showing up here, and we are also seeing these two errors which we need not to worry about. We will be resolving them in the next few videos.